Hi everyone, it's Daniella and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I made a video on Saturday. It was the opening of my Tonic Craft Kit and the using the new Gemini MIDI, using it and demo review kind of thing. But it ended up needing two separate videos. So we're going to just do the craft kit now. It's so good. So before we do that though, let me tell you about the new sales because there's a couple. One is xxDaniella is having a Happy Veterans Day sale up to 70% off. You know, certain stuff. A cherry on top. Still save 10% off. And I thought there was a third one. Was I just wrong? Yep, cherry on top and xxDaniella. Okay, so there you go. Those two are happening. And that's about it. So let's open the kit up. I noticed, let's see. Do you see how when this is open, like now I turned blue? Isn't that weird? I think it's completely creepy. I don't know. So I'm going to take all of this yummy goodness out of here. I think I can't even grab it. So good. So good. Let's see. Yeah, my hands are less blue. So weird. Okay, cool. Got a lot of awesome stuff here. This is a really fun amount of goodies. Look, even full Nuvo. This Black Friday sale, mega bundles coming soon. If you want to know more about this, I do. I'm already on the newsletter and I haven't heard anything about this yet, but coming soon. I can't wait. If you want to sign up for the newsletter so they tell you first as well, it's www.tonic-studios.com. Okay. And they're having their mega mixed media sale all through November. Okay. Just telling you. So, this tells us what I get in my kit. So we're going to talk about first, so I can just put everybody over there, cornflower blue embellishment mousse. I did samples of all of these things, so I will show them to you at the end. But isn't that, look how beautiful that is. And it feels so good. I just want to rub it all over my hands like hand cream. Sorry, maybe I'm weird. Maybe. Okay. Got that awesomeness. A glitter marker. And mine is, this is a glitter marker. It's wild lavender. So pretty and sparkly. Vintage drop in purple basil. These are the vintage ones, and they're so cool because they have a different kind of lid, and they come with this little label. I think that's adorable. I love it. Glitter drop, Blue Lagoon. So good. Crystal drop in Sweet Lilac. And paper. So in addition to all of these papers, we also got a Precious Pearl Mixed Card Pack 6x6, Pearl White, Sugar Crystal, which is glitter, Pearl Ripple, and Pearl Damask. So I know you get 6 of each. This is just, there's, you know, you can see right there, it's double-sided shimmer. Okay, so it's beautiful. Oh, I love their glitter paper. No glitter on my hand. And even my fingers are looking like they have a weird color to them. What is going on? I don't even understand. My lighting is making me look weird. Okay, doesn't come off. Tonic and Anna Griffin are my favorite because the glitter paper that's like got the coating, I just don't like it. It tends to peel when die cutting. It's just me. I'm my preference. This one was Pearl Ripple, and that's a fun pattern. It's not really a chicken wire because there's separation. And the last one was Pearl Damask. And I don't know if you can be able to see, but it's lovely. So we got that, which was awesome. And then that's 24 sheets of paper. Stop rolling. Move it, lavender marker. Sorry. So I used 2 of the papers. Not completely, I have some left, but I used them to make a card, which I will show you at the end. So, I'm trying to see what this is. Classic card. It's like a texture on one side but smooth on the other. And this one is mauve purple, even though it's really not. This is the mirror, and it's more like a, what do they call it? Matte mirror. Lovely. Then the pearlescent card in Gleaming Lilac I used. Lilac Waves is right here. Isn't that the coolest? I think that is so cool. And glitter card is Tropical Tide. Again, the glitter that I love, glitter paper. And Caribbean Tide is here. Specialty paper. It's thin, but it's durable. This one, the purple one, like it, is thicker. I don't know why. So I will show you the other paper, what I made after I show you the dies. So right now we're down to these papers, trying to keep everybody neat and tidy. As you know, I am crazy like that, for sure. Cuckoo like that. Put that guy down, put this guy here, put this guy here, and move all of these yummy guys over here. Cool. So, the dies. It's the Rose Mailing. If you can see it up there. Not really sure what that means, but that's what it is. So, what you get, of course, you always get stamps, and this one is wishing you all kinds of wonderful. I just love that sentiment. I think that is so sweet. So I used it. And then this sticker says wishing you all kinds of wonderful. All kinds of wonderful. I wish that for all of you. And so these dies, right? Okay, here's how it goes. So Watch my little binder thing. Okay, so you get these big circles. Now, well, all of these circles, you know, if you can see that there's one huge one, and then all of the smaller ones, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the cut in die. These 4 nest together, and this one is a full inch bigger, because when you put the biggest one and that one together, it's the perfect size to add these really pretty cut-in dies. This one is the one I used, and I'll show you. Or you can use this one, which is also really pretty. I felt like it almost looked, made me almost Scandinavian. And the bottom one, which is beautiful swirls. And then you've got this going in the middle, and some flowers, and gosh, I forgot what that said. Oh no. Thinking of you. Thinking of you. And the other side, like I said, has the big one and these, and the middle cut in says it's your day. And then this really pretty guy, that's the one I used, and then some foliage like branches. So, oh, and all of the circles are, this one's dotted, that one's dotted, this is like stitched. This one is almost got a zig, I don't know how to put it. It's not quite a ruffle. And then this one is plain. So they have different textures. And then, I don't know if that's really the right way to put it, but it's what I said. So I'm going to stick to it. Okay. I hate that the white paper is hidden. Yeah, you're right. Get rid of the binder. Ugh, not that binder, the folder. That's the word I've been searching for, like ever. So, what did I do? Okay, first we can look at this. So the Sweet Lilac Crystal Drop is here. And I don't know what has changed in the world, but these are all so good and self-leveling that they don't look like Hershey Kisses anymore, or I'm doing something right and I don't know what it is. So here's a glitter drop, which is awesome, and I scribbled it out as well. This is Blue Lagoon, next Purple Basil Vintage Drop, and then this is the glitter marker in Wild Lavender. And then that is the Cornflower Blue Embellishment Mousse. Oh my gosh, it is so, like I said, I smudged it with my fingers just to give you a peek at what it looks like. And here's the card I made. Here's my envelope. I have not attached it to this card, and I'm going to tell you why. I wanted to show you something first. When I make a card like this, you don't necessarily need that much. This is cardstock. So if you have good cardstock that you're basing your bases, then you don't always have to use the full piece of paper. I like to keep my whole paper a lot of times, but I wanted to have a piece for my circle. So I chop a piece off of the back, and now when I attach it, no one will know, and I didn't have to cut more into my paper. Now, if I had, you know, a pad of this paper, maybe I wouldn't have worried about that, but, you know, I only have the pieces that are in the kit, so I wanted to make sure they all got used nicely. So I started with the purple, and then next I added that beautiful, what was it called? They call it a speciality, which makes me giggle. Powder blue lace. And this is floral back there, and this is the die when you do both sides. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh, this is so fun. And then I chose this circle and I stamped wishing you all kinds of wonderful, added a bow, and I used all of the glitter, or now glitter nouveau, not glitter vintage, and what kind is this one, crystal. Used all of the drops and made this card. So that's what I've got from Tonic this month. I hope you all enjoyed my unboxing and my showing you some of what I made with this kit. And as always, thank you so much for being so sweet and leaving me such lovely comments. You are all too awesome for words, and I'm so grateful that you come visit me. I look so forward to reading your comments, so thank you for that. And I will see you all in the next video. But always remember, you are awesome. So you know it because you're here. So stay awesome, everyone. Bye.